Hi everyone, welcome to Baby Bites for Oli. Today I'm sharing a soft and healthy pumpkin waffle recipe, perfect for babies and the whole family. Start by adding 1 ripe banana to a bowl and mash it until it becomes soft. Add 2 tablespoons of baked pumpkin puree. Add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Crack in 1 egg. Add 2 tablespoons of oats, 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon and a little baking powder. Mix everything until smooth. Pour the butter into waffle molds and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. These pumpkin waffles are soft, naturally sweet and perfect for little hands. So let them cool slightly before serving. Enjoy!